Seasons and months. I denne videoen skal du lære årstider og måneder på engelsk. I tillegg skal du lære hvilke måneder som tilhører de ulike årstidene. Jeg leser, og du gjentar etter meg. Da starter vi. The first season of the year is winter. The second season of the year is spring. The third season of the year is summer. The fourth season of the year is autumn. The first month of the year is January. The second month of the year is February. The third month of the year is March. The fourth month of the year is April. The fifth month of the year is May. The sixth month of the year is June. The seventh month of the year is July. The eighth month of the year is August. The ninth month of the year is September. The 10th month of the year is October. The 11th month of the year is November. The 12th month of the year is December. A year has 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Each season has 3 months. Do you know which they are? Winter is December, January, and February. Spring is March, April, and May. Summer is June, July, and August. Autumn is September, October, and November.